Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having few news in Euro today, but no news in USD. So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to be less volatile today. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart, and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below it. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward side but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This gave a bullish bias to the price. So let's move to the weeklies now for a better picture. So this is the weekly chart, and we had reacted from this unmitigated candle over here, which was responsible for this bearish move, and the price moved into the downward side. So currently we can clearly see that the price had taken the previous low and moved into the upside direction. So there is nothing more to say into the weekly. Let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart, and we can see that the price is reacting from this volume imbalance zone over here and moving into the downward direction. I'll be zooming it a bit. So this is the strong high we are having. So if the price is going to move into the downward side, I won't be anticipating the price to break this high. So let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart, and this is the strong high we are having. The price had taken this liquidity over here and moved into the downward direction. So I'll be anticipating the price not to break this low if we are going to move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So this is the 1-hour chart, and we can see that the price had a bearish reaction into the market, and the price reacted from this bearish reaction into the downward side. So currently this is the POI we are having, or this is the decider factor we are having, from where we are going to decide that in which direction the market is going to move. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So into the 15 minutes, what do we have is this unmitigated area over here. So if we are going to move into the upside direction, I will not be anticipating the price to break this low. And if the price breaks this low, most likely I'll be bearish into the market. But currently, I'm anticipating the price to react from this area and break this high. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.